Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make cells bigger in Excel. So open an Excel sheet. You can customize your cells by simply dragging them, or you can make bigger your cells by um, as a whole. Or you can just customize your cells according to the size you want to. So for this we have to select the entire worksheet by clicking on Ctrl A, and then go to this format option, click on row height. Let's make it to 20. As you can see, the rows height are got bigger. The rows height got bigger, and then click on the again format option and click on column width. Again, make it 20, or as you want. Actually, I'm just giving a random number. Click on OK. As you can see, they are so big now. So this is how you can make your cells bigger by your customizable size. It's just as simple as that. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.